Mr. Cox, there is a deputy standing behind you. I am going to remand you into the custody of the Warren County Sheriff for transport to the Department of Corrections.
When a 7-time DUI offender begged for mercy, the judge had seen enough and refused to let him endanger anyone else.
Honor, on behalf of the state, we are asking that this court impose a prison term upon Mr. Cox. I do believe that this is a serious safety. It is a 7th overall driving under the influence, and this is a situation where I would be also asking for a lifetime driver's license suspension. Mr. Cox has proven that he has no regard. He was driving under an OVI suspension when he picked this one up, so I do believe that a lifetime ban on him driving is appropriate, and we would ask for an appropriate prison sentence as well.
Judge, we realize what the court is about to do. We ask for some level of mercy, some temperance, some ability to temper the sentence. If he had his choice of local jail time, a CBCF, or DOC, he would actually ask the court for DOC so he can continue his bipolar medicine, which is lithium. And I'll also say this, Judge, I guess I'd ask the court to temper any punishment that is imposed today based on this. I can't stress the importance of this diagnosis in June, where at recovery we find they actually realized that for the last 25 years he's been treated for chronic depression with antidepressant medicines that have only aggravated a bipolar disorder that was never diagnosed until this summer.
Mr. Cox, is there anything you'd like to say before I sentence you, sir?
Just simply that I'm sorry. I am really sorry, and I give account, and I'm ready to, serve my sentence as a man. I realize that I do deserve to be punished. I realize that they've given them kind of light sentences. I don't disagree. I know that you're going to be a little bit more harsher, and I just want you to know that I accept that, and I deserve that. I think the one thing that gives me a sense of hope is I do have some understanding of something else that's going on that may be contributing to this that I can now address. So this doesn't happen anymore. I don't want to behave like this. I don't want to hurt someone. It's not me. And so I'm sorry. I'm ready to pay the price. That's it.
Mr. Cox, I get that there's a mental health component to this with having 7th OVI, with you being on probation at this time for the offense of OVI when having committed this offense, having a high tier test, 0.17, it's very, very concerning to me. You go back and look at all your prior sentences, and you've always received the minimum mandatory penalty. I do have to account for my decisions as well. I do appreciate the fact that you're accepting responsibility, that you're accepting your punishment. But again, my hope is that we get your attention to the point where we don't have this ever happen to you again. George, I'm going to order you to serve 24 months in prison. Mr. Cox, there is a deputy standing behind you. I am going to remand you into the custody of the Warren County Sheriff for transport to the Department of Corrections.